Look at this. I was in here looking at some woodpecker treats. I was looking at buying some woodpecker treats right here. I was looking at buying that, and I seen this thing right here. This is what you put this thing inside this little box right here in this cage. You put them in this cage right here. But look at this. What does that say? For wild boards, not bird. It should be B-R-I-D or B-O-R-D. That's funny. So see, I got birds. I do not have any. Where is it? I do not have any boards, whatever that word is right there. I don't have any of them in my yard. I have birds. B-I-R-D-S. Well, that woodpecker, I'm thinking now. Alright, stop this video.